new song I want you to learn is Tic-Tac-Toe. Let's take a look at the arrangement. Play melody kicks on 1 chord and whole note on 5 chords. So right here. Melody kicks 1 chord and a 5, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1. And it says high root ending. By now you may be able to figure it out by yourself. It's opposite with a low root ending. Low root ending, lower side, high root ending. You want to play high root. Root of the chord in high place. You can do this too. I'm going to just play from here. That's high root ending. I hope you can figure it out by yourself. In key of C, right here to here.